Hey guys, I'm Alpa. I work on growth at Workfx AI. We're building an AI native organic growth platform that helps brands grow across search, social, and community channels. We work with a lot of startups, e-commerce brands, agencies, and traditional businesses. And recently, after talking with more brands, I started noticing the same problems over and over again. A lot of these companies have really strong products, but their growth systems are still built for the old internet. Because right now, AI is starting to reshape the entire discovery ecosystem. Google now has AI overview and AI mode. More users are searching through ChatGPT and other AI search engines. Social media platforms are becoming more AI-driven too. And the important part is all these channels are starting to connect together. Your content on your website and the social media posts and the discussions about your brand on different social communities. All these things are becoming signals and proof for AI systems. Which means organic growth today is no longer about optimizing isolated channels. It's about building one connected visibility system where your brand can be seen, understood, trusted, and recommended by AI. And honestly, this shift is especially difficult for traditional manufacturing and hardware brands. So recently, we've been working with a photography lighting brand called Workfx. And today, I'll take Workfx as a case to show you how Workfx AI can help you grow and gain competitive advantages in the AI search era. Workfx is a brand being in the industry for years. They have really strong products, strong manufacturing background, and strong distributor network across different markets. But when I look at their website, it is more like a distributor catalog. They just list everything they want distributors know, but they have little content that help users to compare products, to understand use cases, and to solve their problems. So it feels like this website is only built for distribution, not for discovery. And this will become a big issue in the AI search era. Because nowadays, instead of just searching for keywords, people tend to ask questions. For example, I'm starting a YouTube channel. Can you help me find some good photography lighting for my room and recommend me some essential camera accessories for a beginner like me? So this is a principle to gain traffic in the AI search era, that brands should create content based on real user questions and the understanding of users' intent. Based on that, we would suggest the brands like Workfx to do execution in the following dimensions. The first one is that we need to create content based on real user questions. So first of all, choose semantic groups which are generated based on SEO keywords. You can simply click capture this traffic, and then you will get a list of real user questions which are matched from 2 million AI conversations to real user questions. And these are exactly what people are asking AI, Google, and social communities. And you can choose the question that you want to target and select the tracking frequency. And you get a topic list based on real user questions from different angles. For example, comparison, solution, feature, problem, solution, etc. And then select the topic that you want to target and generate just in one click. So in this part, we create content based on real user questions that is also indexable and AI rateable. And in the next part, we need to build our social authorities. So when AI search engines are asked questions by users, they will search information all over the whole internet. If there is no one talking about you or say something good about you, it is almost impossible for brands to get recommended. And for brands like Workfx, they can use the Reddit agent to find the proper subreddits that have high intent users, set marketing goals, and get valuable leads in those subreddits. And you can also use the Reddit agent to generate very human-like responses and post content, which are effective to get people's attention and raise discussion in Reddit. Brands can also use Instagram and Facebook agent to assist the operation of their social media accounts. And Workfx AI will provide the most frequently used starters for your industry. For example, for e-commerce brand, Workfx AI will provide starters like new drop, UGC fill, social proof, offer push to keep the high frequency that you update your social media. The third dimension, which is very crucial for e-commerce brand, is to optimize their product pages. Because product pages are not merely indexed by Google, but also read by your consumers and also crawled by AI search engine. So we need to make them more friendly for users to read, for Google to index, and for AI search engines to reference. And you can simply just drop your product link and click the generate. And Workfx AI will generate product pages based on SEO and geo benchmark and make it better for drive sales conversion. You can see the key features, the specifications, and why choose Workfx and the FAQ. And these are the kind of content which really helps to drive decision making of consumers. The fourth part is technical audit. Workfx AI will analyze all of your technical problems that might be lowering your visibility, your indexing, and user experience. For example, if your website doesn't have LLM-text file and the AI search engines cannot rate and recommend your content, you can simply click Fix Now and you will have a very detailed plan of how you fix this technical problem with your website. So after finishing all of the execution part mentioned above, we can also jump back to tracking part. And in this part, you can choose performance. Link Google Analytics to Workfx AI, and you can track your organic traffic at any time. Workfx AI keeps tracking your AI visibility and the position when you are mentioned. And you can also enter the monitor scope part, and in this part you will see the keywords and query that you have chosen in Content Assistant, so that we can have reflection about how effective of our execution strategy. So in the next few years, the brands that win won't just be brands with the biggest ad budgets. They will be the brands that are constantly discoverable, understandable, trusted, and recommendable across the entire ecosystem. And that's exactly what we are building at Workfx AI.